Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you that how you can add a custom ringtone in your iPhone within 2 or 3 minutes. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, you will have to download an application from the App Store that is called GarageBand, and to download it you will have to search here GarageBand, and you will have to download the first application, that is GarageBand, and it comes from Apple. After downloading it, just open it simply, and you will have to access microphone. Okay, click on OK and click on continue. Once again click on continue and don't allow. Now scroll to the right side, and you will have to click on audio recorder. Now you can see this type of interface will appear. Now you will have to click on this icon first, and then this icon on the right side, left side. Now such type of page will appear in front of you. Now you will have to click on the loop next to the gear, and you will have to export the audio by clicking on files, and click on browse item from the files app. And for example, I have selected the first audio and I want to set this as my ringtone. Just click on it, simple, and the file will be exported here. Now you will have to long press on it and drag it on here. After adding this in your timeline, click on the plus icon on the right side and click on it, and you will have to manually select 30 bars. Now back, and now play the audio and check that the audio is right or not, and after that click on this and click on my songs. Now this is the previous project that I already created, and this is the new project that I want to set as my ringtone. Now click on it and click on share. Now click on ringtone and click on continue and click on export. Now this ringtone will be exported. Now this sound will be exported as a ringtone, and you can use sound as standard ringtone, or you can simply go to settings and go to sounds and haptics, and you can say the ringtone is my song that I've just exported from the GarageBand. Now that's how you can easily set custom ringtone in your iPhone. And if you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel